payments. Now, where the Nandi Hills Member of Parliament has expressed his disappointment in the delay of farmers' pay, claiming that cartels are weaving their way in the payment process. Here is his take.
There was a queue that was that had some powers from above. They were saying there are calls which were received from above, and they were receiving the maize at a very fast rate, and most of those brokers were paid promptly. The 7 billion that was paid, a huge amount of it, about 4 billion, went to the wrong hands. It went to the criminals who imported maize from Mexico and supplied to National Cereals and Produce Board. The genuine farmers have not been paid. Majority of them owe National Cereals and Produce Board up to 80% of what they have supplied, because some of them were paid, they were paid an amount that is less than 20%. So we want we were told by government last week that they were starting payments on Monday. To date, today is on a Wednesday. We are almost, this day is almost over, and nothing is happening. Farmers are waiting. They have children in school. Some might not even do examinations. They have patients in hospital. They have issues they want to do. We are approaching NDR, then they have another, they have many programs to run towards this season of Christmas, and they have to be paid because they have their own programs to run. So we want to say that if they will not pay, and I want to repeat that, we will mobilize farmers across the country to do a major demonstration. That is in Kitale, in Eldoret. We will close all the towns where the maize issues has been, where most farmers have been affected, from Iten, Kapsabet, Eldoret, Nakuru, Kitale, Bungoma, all those towns within where the farmers were supplying National Cereals and Produce Board. We will do a serious demonstration where there will be no economic activity happening or any other activity happening in our region, because it is sad. It is very unfortunate. And I want to call upon the EACC. They must move with speed. The people they have arrested so far are wrong. They are genuine farmers, most of them. The real culprits, the big thieves, the ones who are in control of the National Cereals and Produce Board, who are calling shots, who were given the first priority to supply, and even in payments, they were paid promptly. Some of them were paid within the same day they were supplying. Some of them were paid even before they supplied. It is very wrong. It is very immoral, and we, as members of parliament, we are urging the government to move with speed, because we mean it. We are serious. If by Monday next week, farmers will still be waiting for their payment, we will organize a major demonstration across the country so that we air out our views.